Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you a story, a small one. Lali was helping her father after the school. Her father had a shop, so after the school, she would go and sit on the shop and relieve her father for 2 hours to take rest. So one day, when she was there on the shop, a person came to buy a string. He said, please give me a string which is equal to 6 arm length. Now Lali, she took the string and started measuring like this. 1 arm, 2 arm, 3 arm, 4 arm, 5 arm and 6 arms. Then she cut it and gave it to that person. Now when that person, who was a grown up man, he started counting the arms or how long the string was, he said, no, this is not 6 arms, this is less. And he showed to Lali. Lali got confused. She said, oh, I am so sorry. She said, okay, you measure this string and take it. That man measured the string, he measured it 6 arms, cut it and took it. Now you must be wondering, why when Lali, who was so honest, measured the string with the arm, the string was small. Children, Lali was a little girl and that man was a grown-up man. So the length of Lali's arm was much smaller than that grown-up man. And that is the reason when she measured the string, it was less, and when he measured the 6 arms of his size, the string was longer. So children, you must have come to know that this is not a standard way of measuring. And we are going to start long and short a new chapter. So children, in this new chapter, we are going to learn so many things, how people used to measure things with unstandard ways. For example, with a hand span. Now, what is a hand span? When you measure something like this with the tip of your thumb to the tip of your little finger, like this, it is called a hand span. But then again, the hands of every person, the length is different. So this is not a standard way of measuring the length. There was another way of measuring length. That was footstep and foot span. Now what is footstep and what is foot span? I am going to show you now. So let's see what is footstep and what is foot span. Okay children, now I am going to show you what is foot span. The length of a foot is foot span. So suppose I want to measure the distance of where I am standing to a pot which is a slight distance away from me. So with the help of foot span, I will measure it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this pot is 7 foot spans away from where I was standing. Children, now I am going to show you how far that pot is from where I am standing with the help of footstep. Okay, have a look. 1, 2, 3. So this spot is 3 footsteps away from where I was standing. So children, you must have understood what is foot span and what is footstep. Now the problem is the foot span of different people would be different. If somebody has a longer foot, he will have a longer foot span. Similarly, if somebody is tall, his footsteps will be longer. So, to solve this problem, man invented a standard unit of measuring length, and that we showed to you even in class 2. So, we started using scales like this. These scales have divisions, and if you will compare your scale with your friend's scale, it will be exactly the same. All your friends, the scales will be the same. So these scales have these divisions, and these divisions are called centimeter. And many centimeters join to form a meter. 100 centimeters join to form a meter. For measuring small things like your pencils, you can use centimeters. And for measuring long things like this string, the sari of your mom, all these things, we use a tape like this. Why? Because the sari and the string, they will be in meters. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to measure different things with the help of scale as well as this tape. Right? I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.